In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a connector to a fixed point within a shape in draw.io for Confluence. We'll start directly from a Confluence page that already contains a draw.io diagram inside the editor. First, locate the diagram on the page and select it. Once the diagram is selected, a floating toolbar will appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This opens the diagram in a pop-up editor where you can make changes to the drawing itself. Now that you're inside the diagram editor, the next step is to select the source shape. This is the shape where the connector will begin. Click on it once so it becomes active. Then hover your mouse over the shape until the blue connection arrows appear. You should see these arrows on each side of the shape. These connection arrows are what draw.io uses to quickly create connector lines between elements. Click and drag from one of those blue arrows to start creating the connector. As you drag, move the connector endpoint toward the target shape, which is the shape you want to connect to. This part is important because instead of simply attaching the line to the edge in a general way, you want to place it at a specific fixed point inside the shape. When your connector endpoint is over the target shape, carefully position your cursor at the exact location inside that shape where you want the connector attached. Take your time with this step so the connection lands precisely where you need it. This can be especially useful when you want your diagram to look cleaner, more intentional, or easier to understand visually. Once the cursor is in the correct position, release the mouse button. That will place the connector at the selected fixed point within the target shape. After that, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. This saves your changes and updates the diagram back on your Confluence page. And that's it. You've successfully added a connector to a fixed point within a shape in draw.io for Confluence. If you're working on diagrams with multiple relationships or detailed flows, using precise connector placement like this can make the final result much more polished and readable.